Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can find the blur effect in CapCut PC. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the very end, and because it's under 1 minute. And yeah, I hope this video is gonna help you to find this effect, because I know CapCut is updating this app and a lot of changes. A lot of things are going to change. So yep, now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is click on effects, and here in effects click on lens, and then here in lens you should find blur. If you click on this plus, you can add blur to in the track. Too many there. Now we have blur. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you now in the next video. Also, if you have any comments, any sort of suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.